Have you ever picked up your LG AC remote, pressed a button, and nothing happened? Don't worry, your remote might simply be locked. Many LG AC remotes have a lock feature that prevents accidental button presses. It's useful when children are around, but frustrating when you don't know how to turn it off. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to unlock your LG AC remote and get it working again. The first method is the quickest. Press and hold the temperature up and temperature down buttons at the same time for a few seconds. On many LG remotes, this toggles the lock feature on and off. If the remote was locked, the lock symbol should disappear and all buttons should start responding normally again. However, some LG models use the 6-in-1 button to enable or disable the lock feature. When locked, the display usually shows CL for child lock. If that didn't work, try the second method. Remove both batteries from the remote. Then wait until the display on the remote completely turns off. This is important because it helps discharge any remaining power stored inside the remote. Once the screen is blank, reinstall the batteries and test the remote again. In many cases, this simple power reset clears temporary glitches and restores normal operation. Still locked? Let's try the third method. Some LG remotes include a tiny reset pinhole on the front or back. Take a paper clip, SIM eject tool, or another small pointed object and gently press the button inside the reset hole. This performs a factory reset and restores the remote to its default settings. After the reset, the lock feature should be removed and the remote should work normally again. To avoid accidental locking in the future, it's a good idea to keep the remote in its wall holder when you're not using it. This prevents buttons from being pressed accidentally and also makes the remote easier to find. And that's it. Try these methods in order, and one of them should unlock your LG AC remote in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more LG AC tips, troubleshooting guides, and easy fixes.